Hey guys, what's going on? In this one, we're going to talk about 7 side jobs to make extra money in 2019. I'm not going to waste your time and talk about things that are not worth doing. So every single side job in this list can make you at least $10 an hour, and some of them can even make you $100 or more per hour. It'll be worth your time to stick around to the end because some of these you may not have heard of before. There are many different reasons that you may want to start a side job, especially if you're interested in investing and just getting started into investing. An extra $200 or $300 a week can really help over the long term at building the wealth of your portfolio. So let's just jump straight into this one. Number 7 on the list is photography freelancing. Now, if you're really interested in photography, there are a ton of different ways you can get paid for your passion, both online and offline. When you're just starting out, you can sell your photos online through a website such as Shutterstock. You just upload a bunch of photos, and every single time someone downloads one and uses your photo, you get a small commission. Now, of course, at the start, this is going to be very small, but if you're already taking a ton of photos, then uploading 500 photos a month or more could really start to add up, especially if you start getting hundreds of downloads on your photos. Beyond that, you can do photography freelancing on websites such as Fiverr, where people will pay you to take specific photos or to edit photos. And then of course, as you start to develop your client base and get more experience, you can take on events such as weddings for people in your local area. Number 6 on our list is to start a small business. Now, this is something that I did in high school, and there are a number of different ways that you can do this. While I was in high school, there were a ton of kids who wanted these hats that were $40 or $50 in the store, so I saw an opportunity to make some money. I found a wholesaler that would sell me 10 hats at a time for $80 in total, and then I sold them for $20 each, so I made $120 every single time I sent out a batch. I basically did what a lot of people are doing online right now, which is called drop shipping. I got the people to pick out a design and to give me the money up front, and then I used that money to order the hats, so I was never out of pocket. I was making about $500 before every kid and their dog set up their own store and undercut me, but it was good for a little while and while it was going, and it's something that you can do if you're in high school or even if you're outside of high school and you have a bunch of friends who are interested in a certain product. So as I just said, you can start this business by just having a bunch of friends who are your audience, who you're selling to, and find out what they're interested in, and you can supply it to them cheaper than they can get it at the store, and you can wholesale buy them, which means you can buy them cheaper when you buy in bulk. Or you could go another way and you could do drop shipping or sell through Amazon or Shopify or something like that, and you get your audience through paid traffic such as Facebook ads or Instagram ads. There are a ton of different ways you can do it, but that's a very, very good one for young people who are looking for some kind of side job to make a little bit extra money. Number 5 on our list is delivery services. Now, I'm sure most of you out there have used Uber to travel somewhere or to order food, and as a side job to make a little bit extra money, you can actually become a driver for these companies. Some of these companies even allow you to deliver food or groceries on a bicycle, so you don't even have to have a driver's license and you don't even have to be above the age of 18. Another one for my American viewers out there is Instacart, which is a same-day grocery delivery service, which you can also do. Basically, there's a ton of different options out there, and you can do some research and find out which ones you would be most interested in, and it's very, very good. A good way to make a side income, especially since you don't even have to have a driver's license in many cases. And if you want more info on the services and side jobs that I'm talking about in this video, I've left links to everything down in the description below, so make sure you go check that out after this video so you can do some further research. But for now, let's continue on to the top 4 ways, or the top 4 side jobs for 2019. Number 4 on our list is dog sitting or walking. Now, this one you may need to be a little bit more involved, but if you have a little bit of experience looking after pets, this can be a really easy way to make a little bit of side money. For Australians, there's a website called Mad Paws where you can list yourself as a pet sitter and people will hire you to look after their pets while they're on holidays. For the Americans out there, there are a ton of different apps and websites that do this, so just go onto your app store and find one, search in dog sitting or that sort of thing. One of the bigger ones is care.com that allows you to dog sit or pet sit and that kind of thing. Number 3 on our list is online tutoring. Now, a lot of people do this through a website like Fiverr because it's a really easy platform to use, and you can pretty much offer tutoring for anything you could possibly think of. If you're in high school and you're quite good at maths, or you know quite a bit about a specific science topic or something like that, then you can offer tutoring to the youngest students in your high school. I used to tutor maths after school because it was so easy. I just had to stay back for a couple hours and then I'd leave the day earning $50 to $100, which is a lot for a kid in high school. One area that a lot of people neglect to think about is English tutoring for people who live in countries such as China or India. A lot of people looking for English tutoring can already speak pretty good English and they're just looking to improve the flow of their conversations, which means you don't have to know multiple languages to do this. You just need to be able to speak fluently in English. Don't underestimate yourself and think that just because you're young or you're not an expert that you can't make money providing a service like this. If you've been playing guitar consistently for a couple years, you might not be an expert, but there would still be thousands of people who are just starting out and who could use your help. Essentially, you can make money selling your skills on Fiverr in pretty much any category, not just tutoring and photography. I challenge you and I guarantee you that if you go onto Fiverr, you'll be able to find some sort of skill that you can sell, because there are so many different things on Fiverr and there's definitely something that you can do better than other people and that you can get paid for online. So that brings us to the top 2 side jobs for 2019. The second one is Clarity.fm. Clarity is a website that offers consulting calls. So if you are an expert or you know certain things in an area of business or entrepreneurship, then you can offer calls for sometimes $50 to $100 per hour to talk about those things and to consult someone and help them to do what you already know how to. This is something I've been looking to do myself for teaching people how to invest, as well as teaching people how to grow a YouTube channel from scratch. And it's a really great way because essentially you can set it up so that you're only available for calls when you have free time. So whenever you have free time, maybe you take a couple of calls and it can be really easy to make a couple $100s a week. And finally, we have number 1, which is YouTube. Now, this one is going to take a little bit longer to set up and you're not going to be making money straight away like some of these other ones, but it is definitely worth the effort because over the long term, the reward for investing in making a YouTube channel and building up a YouTube channel can be really significant. To do YouTube successfully, you need to pick a niche that you're really passionate about because it's probably going to take about 6 to 12 months before you start making any money. But once you've got a small audience built up, it can be quite easy to leverage them to make a little bit of money. I've been doing YouTube for about 8 months now, and in the first 6 months I made absolutely nothing, but now I have a thriving YouTube channel that gets over 10,000 views per month. And recently I did a promotion to sort of test and see what kind of value I could put on my channel, and I actually made over $500 from making one video. So you can see that there is a significant potential to make a lot of money on YouTube depending on how passionate you are about it and how much effort you put into the videos you make. I put this one as number 1 because not only can it be a great side job, it can be something that you can make a little bit of extra money doing a hobby on the side. If you want it to become a full-time income, your full-time income source, you can also do that. You can spend a lot of time dedicated to building up a really substantial channel that can make you north of 25-30K per month just from running ads on your YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, guys, and make sure to check out my latest videos right here. Subscribe if you enjoyed, and I hope you guys have a great day. I'll see you in the next one.